Suzuki's new Jimny Mata is a limited edition designed with incredible attention to detail. The name Mata, meaning again or beyond in Japanese kanji, reflects a deep sense of continuity. In Japan, Mata ni is often said to loved ones, meaning see you soon. This special model might just be the last opportunity for enthusiasts to get their hands on the Jimny for a while, given European restrictions that prioritize heavier vehicles over compact, efficient ones like the Jimny, which Suzuki hopes to bring back in the future. The Jimny Mata is both a stylish city car and a rugged off-roader, blending refined details with functional enhancements. Its distinct BiColor exterior immediately sets it apart. The Metallic Siberian Silver body, adorned with the kanji Mata symbol, pairs with matte black on the roof, pillars, and hood for a bold look. The vintage-style front grille frames the Suzuki emblem, creating a timeless design that speaks to the model's enduring spirit. Up front, a sturdy bumper guard adds a muscular vibe, while side protections shield the body from bumps and scrapes in rough environments. Hidden from sight, aluminum differential and underbody guards protect vital components during off-road adventures. Front and rear rubber mud flaps further guard against mud and debris, while a sleek hard cover for the spare tire and a set of sporty alloy wheels complete the package. Inside, the Jimny Mata feels both exclusive and functional. A satin aluminum plaque on the dashboard highlights its limited edition status, giving it a collectible appeal. At the center is a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, paired with a Pioneer sound system. The display also serves as a rear-view camera, making parking easier in tight spots. Additional comforts include rear sunshades and a durable rubber mat in the luggage area. Suzuki keeps things straightforward. Everything is included, with no surprise add-ons. The Jimny Mata is well equipped with automatic high beams, fog lights, heated front seats, climate control, and cruise control. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warnings, road sign recognition, emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and driver drowsiness monitoring, all come standard. Hill start and descent control help on steep terrain, and the emergency e-call system is there for extra peace of mind. From the original LJ10 of the 1970s to today's Jimny Mata, Suzuki has crafted a compact 4x4 that keeps evolving. The Jimny Mata's limited release begins on November 30th with a showcase at Suzuki dealerships, so fans have a final chance to own this iconic model.